In this session, we are going to just look at a few functions. One of them is the if function, where we want to determine, so if it is beyond 60, we say it's a pass, otherwise it is a fail. So if you copy down the formula across the other students, you will realize that only one student had a fail, and that is Bob. So that is it in terms of utilizing the if function. For additional ways of doing it, join me in the Microsoft Advanced Excel training that is coming up. I will share the link in the description of this video. I've just made sure that the grading scheme is that simple because the concept is what we want to learn. So in this case, we are going to use the ifs function, and then ifs, open the bracket, select the cell in which the value you want to grade is, and we will begin by grading the highest, based on the grading scheme, the highest grade, that is A. So anything in cell C3 that is greater than 90, that gives me that means that value is graded A. Anything in cell C3 again that is greater than 80, that will give me grade B. The same applies to C3. If it is greater than 70, is grade C. For us to get a D, the value at C3 must be 60 and above. That gives us the grade D, that is. And if the value at C3 is less or equals to 60, then the score is definitely an E. This is based on the dummy grading scheme that we are using here. Let's confirm this. We don't have anyone with an A because the highest score there that we have is 90, which falls between the grade B. So that is how we can simply achieve what we want to do using the if function, just to say who has failed, who has passed, and using the ifs function to deliver the grade based on the grading scheme that we were given. So that is it. For more of this and many more, and the explanation on what we have just done, let's meet on the Advanced Excel course. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos.